organisations for maintaining the pace on this, because it's so important and it's something I'm a bit jealous of, if I'm honest.
Perfectly, where she be?
Okay, but I was. So in 1999 I joined a department called HM of Customs and Excise. I was a very proud customs officer. I stood at Manchester Airport for many together. What we do, as I said before,
and immigration enforcement. What we realised is we were in the same countries doing similar work, and we were standing on the benefits of you. As it says there, collaboration brings mutual benefits. We have areas that you can quite clearly see. We've led this down to collection of intelligence in drugs. World from the UK, we return over 50 foreign national offenders per week to Albania. So there's a lot in the region. We're in Albania.